many companies fail because do not use proper value design techniques to their target segments. My name is Ognan Drensky from the School of Business Competency, Sofia, and I will talk to value design. I will tell you a story about a water heater company which achieved dramatic improvements in its business performance by redesigning value to its customers, partners, and society. The company did it using two popular business tools, one of them the value proposition canvas, and the other the business model canvas, combined with the concept of Internet of Things. The profile of this company was very typical for home appliances producers. It was a factory which sells 90% of its products via chains, and in order to be competitive, during the last years, the company started to produce water heaters controlled by mobile application via internet. Recently, a number of challenges arose, so-called the second cell problem, the necessity to optimize electricity and hot water costs, and the necessity to change boiler service organizations' behavior from reactive to proactive. There exist a lot of methods to solve such kind of problems, but the company decided to redesign the value proposition to clients, partners, and society based on the Internet of Things technology. You know that solving the problem starts with better understanding the problem. The second cell problem is because the chains do not provide manufacturers with information about the end customers. That's why the manufacturers have not direct marketing channels and are pressed to spend significant resources to advertise their products. The problem with optimizing electricity and hot water costs became very acute during this year because the storm with the prices of the energy. But the real technical problem is that almost any device has just manual controls, and this does not allow to implement intelligent optimization algorithms. And it is clear that almost any service organization has reactive behavior. Let us see how this manufacturer resolved these problems. In fact, you can see on the screen how the new value proposition to customers, society, and partners looks like. First of all, the customer was provided with water heaters equipped with number of sensors and controllers. The manufacturer understood that internet can be used not just to manage the device, but as a marketing channel. The other important issue is that internet can be used to collect real-time data about the behavior of the device and the users. So this allows to apply complex algorithms, for instance from thermodynamics, to solve optimization problem, delivering hot water at specific time, at specific temperature, and according to users' behavior. The other important issue is that this information can be used for predictive maintenance. For instance, in case something in the device does not work properly, the software reports to the user and to the service, and the service can proactively contact client to resolve the issue. At the end of the day, the result of this redesign was that the producer implemented IoT-based platform which addresses all of these issues. You can see number of scenarios on the screen, how this platform provides benefits to clients, to service organization, and to society. For instance, society benefits because optimizing swarms of water heaters around the world leads to shrinking carbon footstep. The new business model allowed the producer to sell other services. He started to sell the IoT platform, services and software to its partners, so virally distributing this best practice. What are the lessons we can learn from this story? The first one, designing value, is important. It is very important to start looking at the product as a part of the system. If you looked at water heater as a standalone device, you cannot achieve benefits if you looked at it as a part of a big IoT system. The next important lesson is that innovation could be achieved just in case you have disciplined process. And finally, the technology provides very good opportunities to design great business value. That's all, folks. Thanks you for your attention.